Okay, here's an update on what I'm doing. I got the exhaust off. Good thing I took it off because these uh, recirculation pipes are not even, or I mean, they're just not secured. I mean, look at this one. This one has nothing there. Good thing I took that off because this guy looks a bit heat damaged. This guy right there for the oil cooler. See, I cleaned up most of the area. Took the throttle bodies off. And see, I don't know why I thought this was carbureted. I could have sworn, I mean, there's the injectors. I thought, I don't know why. I think it was, I guess I'm mistaken with the Suzuki. The Suzuki, I could have sworn was carbureted, but this definitely is not. Some of the wiring was not secure. Certain anchors were not put in. These two bolts were separated between that, the atmospheric pressure, and this guy, which I think is in case you lay it over, it cuts off fuel or something. I'm not 100%. There's the power commander. I'm still questioning if it even had one, but it does. Got the battery for it. Let's see. I'm learning a lot as I'm going through this engine, through this whole bike, really. I'm guessing the 5PW stands or has something to do with the 5 valves per cylinder, because I can see 3 per intake, and it has 2 per exhaust. So I'm guessing that's what that stands for. I'm no motorcycle mechanic by any means, but I do have a good set of, I guess you could call it, I have good knowledge with engines themselves. I'm just taking it apart one by one here and there to make sure that everything is good. I took off the pipes for the coolant at the thermostat. O-rings are pretty much crap, so I don't want to have any issues once I have it all put back together. I'm not going to put the plastics, anything like that, until I know that it's running healthy. Also because I have to do the fork seals, so I have to do quite a bit of things. I have to go through this to make sure that it's going to be taken care of as far as the engine, cooling system, everything else before I actually ride it. I want to make sure that it runs, idles good, such and such and such. I was never aware that it actually had any exhaust gas recirculation stuff. That to me surprised me. It has 2 cylinders per side on these diaphragms, and then whatever it does to recirculate it back to the intake. Timing cover seems to be sealed decently. The clutch, the only one that I'm going to go through, like I said before in the other video, is this one. I'm definitely going to take it off, and I'm going to check to see how things are inside of that stator cover. I did find little things here and there. I found that the guy did not have the connector for transmission, I think. Somewhere back here, under here. Okay. So this guy right here, I hope I'm not making crazy angles with the video. That guy right there was not connected. So I'm assuming that had something to do with it not starting. But still at it. Definitely gonna get tires. I will not be riding it at all.
Who are you talking to?
I'm just talking to myself. Here's my helper. I'm gonna make sure that it's at least running okay, not running rich or lean. Seals are done. Rotors, pads are degreased, de-oiled. Yeah. So tires. I mean, obviously the engine. Before I put anything, roll it on, I'm gonna make sure that the engine, transmission, wiring, that everything is reading good before I buy tires to just let it sit for some certain amount of time. I did find a date code on this tire, the rear one, which is 09. So that gives me some sort of an idea when it was possibly last ridden, there or about. Yeah, it's definitely going. All right, I'll make another video. I gotta take some pictures to have a collage of what I've been doing, what I've done to it so far, so that I can reference to it. Thanks for watching.